Okay, Sally, let's show Daddy what you were doing this morning. It's 7:30 in the morning. Say good morning. Good morning. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go. There you go. That was a hard one, huh? The other ones had soft landings. I did it. I rolled over all by myself. Now I'm stuck. Okay, I'll suck my hand. No worries. No worries. Trying to crawl today? Okay. Mama help you. Mama help you. Mama help you. Ta-da! Ta-da! Mama help you. You still feel stuck? Good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning. Is that lady barking outside? Really? Is that lady barking outside? Say, Daddy, I got boogers in my nose. That's why I have that noise. Boogers in my nose. Boogers in my nose. Hold on. Let me fix it. Here. There you go again. See, I think I'm a big boy. Yeah, I don't want to sit. I don't want to lay down. I want to sit. Well, come on. Oh, sleepy. I'm just hanging out. Yeah. Say Dada. Say Dada. Say Dada. Oh no, we're gonna start to freak out. Well, come on. See, I like to pull myself like this now. Really? And then what happened? Come on. Where are you going? Where are you going, Tilly? Where are you going? Yeah? Are you trying to escape? Okay. Say aye! 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 Where's sister? Where's Sochi? Where's my Sochi sister? sister is. Tochi, Mama. There's the playpen. Where's Tochi's bed? There's Tochi's bed. Tochi! Come here, Mama. Oh, there's my Tochi. Come on. Brother's freaking out. There's my Tochi. Oh, say kisses to Daddy. Say, oh, kisses to Daddy. That's nice. Bye, honey.